Two of our favorite things are coffee and tables. So today we're combining them and building a DIY coffee table with only a few boards, a few steps, and under $100. Let's get to building. The first thing I'm doing is cutting our apron boards, and these are 1x3s that I'm cutting down 2 pieces at 17 and 2 at 41. All right, the first thing we're gonna do, actually it's the second thing because I already cut. So now we're going to add pocket holes, and we are using the Kreg Jig 720 Pro and our Kreg drill. Oh, there we go, there she is. Okay, so I'm putting 2 on each end, and then I'm also going to add some down the middle of the apron. Ashley, tell them what we love about the 720 Pro.
We love the 720 Pro. It's, I don't know, maybe the 3rd or 4th Kreg Jig model that we've had. So it has an onboard storage. It's got your small Kreg bit. It's got the longer regular Kreg bit, a spot for your drill bit. There's the Allen wrench to change the depth. We also love that it switches between 3/4 inch stock and 1.5 inch stock without having to adjust anything except for the stop collar. It has an auto clamp on the end of it. It's just so much easier.
So much faster. You can see I've got 2 on each end and then 2 that will go up into the tabletop. Just a few more to go.
Why are y'all wearing jackets today?
Well, yesterday it was 80, and now today it's 50, so
45, 46.
Apron boards are done. Now we are going to attach them to our cute legs. Ash, you want to do the unveiling of the cute legs?
Pause for cute legs. So Whitney found these 4 coffee table legs on Amazon. She will link them in the post on our website, which is linked in the description box below.
And guess how much they were?
Guess how much they were?
Jeffrey, guess how much they were?
$37.89.
$19.99.
No, they were $38. That's so weird that he said that, but still.
Dang. Okay, so it's like less than $10 a leg, guys.
I would like everyone to acknowledge what a great deal $38 for 4 cute legs is. So. Yep. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna grab Ash a pencil. Well, I say we're gonna do this together, but I don't know if I have another tape measure. We are going to mark, we're gonna put our, which I'm gonna go grab my tape measure. Okay, so I'm marking, squirrel, I'm marking 1/2 inch on our legs. So what we'll do first, Ash, she's gonna get a drill so she can participate. So what we're gonna do is the line is gonna be the edge right there, and then make sure the pocket holes go up so that they go up into our coffee table. This is my first rectangular coffee table I've had in a minute.
Brought my own glue too, so we're not fighting over glue.
So you'll attach 2 legs, and then I'll attach 2 legs of her. That's what we're gonna do. And I'll go ahead and, good thing you brought it.
I think it got frozen.
I will mark your leg for you. A friend of mine needed my coffee table I just built.
Really?
Jeffrey, he's taking it home today.
Oh.
Turns out.
Amazing.
So, a friend of mine needed my old one, so rambling now. But all to say, I'm building this because I wanted to do something similar to the Mahjong table because I loved like the little beaded trim and stuff. So that's what this one's gonna look like. But the legs don't fold because that's way too fancy for a coffee table.
Oh, I can't wait to see it.
Did you add wood glue? And this is really going in my living room, so if you could try extra hard. Sometimes when we build stuff for video, we don't do a very good job of it. Facts. So I'm attaching my apron board here, and I'm using my Kreg right angle clamp, and this thing is awesome. It's like having like a 3rd hand, and it goes inside one of your pocket holes, and so it's good for like awkward angles where you can't get a normal clamp, and it'll hold that for me while I attach my first screw. Is it good?
Yep.
Okay.
Really good.
Because it's going in my house, you know.
It's really, really, really good.
Perfection.
Best work I've ever done.
Okay, let me get this side on real quick. So you see it holds it in place, gives me that 3rd hand that I love while I put my first screw in. Better angle. Pop it off. So Got this side, got Ashley's side, and now we're, didn't pick the light down. And now we're gonna join these two together with our longer aprons. The same way, let me mark 1/2 inch in on the legs. All right, we have our tabletop done. We'll just flip it around, bottom. It's our table bottom, actually. Isn't it gonna be cute?
So cute.
I love her. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is attach this to our top, and then we'll trim out the top after.
Sounds easy.
And then we're done. Okay,
Let's go.
so let me get the tabletop. For our tabletop, I'm a little ticked. We have a little split in our wood, but I plan to, since I'm pocket holding and stuff, I think it'll be just fine. I plan to fill it with wood filler, but I purposely bought a 2x4 edge glued panel because I love the way these stain, and they're inexpensive. I think 30 bucks. But see, that really makes me sad, but it's fine. I am going to lay this flat. I'm trying to decide which side I like better. I like this side better, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll just have to fill it with glue. Okay, so I'm gonna put the tabletop down.
I could help you with that. I was just doing that.
I'm very strong. I am very, I lift.
I wasn't saying you're not.
Yeah. Okay, so what I'll do first, Ash, I'm gonna add wood glue to this because that way I don't have to guess where it is on that, you know? I'm just adding a little bit of wood glue, and I'll hand you the bottle to do your side. Thank you. It should be about 1 inch on each side, if that makes sense. We have put we've evened it out. You've got 1 inch clearance on each side of your 4 legs, and you can get this all off the free plans that we will share. And I'm using my clamp to hold this in place. You wanna do that side maybe? Ooh, are those 1 inch or 1 1/4 inch?
Those are an inch.
Okay, let me
Faux show.
call in the reinforcements. So we have clamped it down. Which ones are we using? Which did we decide on? Some of those look long, so let's just use those. Okay. That feels safe. I really want this table to work and be cute and not have holes in the top of it.
Why?
It's just, I'm speaking from experience here. Okay, we're using 1 1/4 inch, confirmed 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws to go through our apron and into our tabletop. We're gonna go all the way around. So we have the tabletop attached to the table base, and now the fun part, we are going to be adding the trim, which I'm super excited about. All right, so what I'm doing now is I'm going to go make my 1x2 cuts. I waited to do this to make sure, well, actually I waited because I just picked up the wood, but I waited to do this till I could get an exact measurement because that's the kind of gal I am. So we are at 48, which I would have known because when I purchased the board, it was 48 by 24. But I just wanted to be extra sure, and that's why it's not done yet, okay? We're gonna make 2 cuts at 48 inches, short point to short point, and then they're gonna have 45-degree angles, because we like those pretty mitered angles. I've made my first cut. I'm gonna come right here, hold it in place, and then go make the next one real quick, and then Ashley can be nailing it in place for me since she likes to be a helper. So we have both corners cut at 45-degree angles, and Ashley is going to glue and nail this sucker into place while I make the 3 extra cuts.
I am applying a thin line of wood glue at the very top edge of this trim piece. It's gonna line up flush with the top of the coffee table. And I'm gonna follow up with 1 1/4 inch brad nails into the top of the coffee table. So now Whitney has cut down the side piece with the 45-degree angles. I'm gonna make sure it's a perfect fit. She's so good at what she does. And now I am putting some more wood glue. Same process. I do like to add a little bit of glue on the inside of those corners, just so they stick together really nice. Can we flip it?
Yep, we are done. Isn't
She is
so cute? I love her. I gotta get a finish on it, but I love how it's going to look in my living room. And guess what? I built it for under $100.
That's amazing.
the
And it
best
was
part.
so easy. I think it took us about an hour.
Yeah, ish.
Whitney, I love how this looks. I love the finish that you chose for it. It looks perfect in front of your couch.
Thanks, I love it too, and I appreciate the help. Y'all make sure to subscribe. You do not want to miss another video.
Happy building.
2 of our favorite things are
Coffee.
and
Oh my
tape.
gosh, but we have our glasses on.
I think I look great in glasses. Okay. 2 of our favorite things are
Coffee.
and tables.
Sorry.
Okay.
Do it again.
Okay. Ready. I now have stuff in my eyes. With our Kreg, what is it? Blue Ionic? Blue Ion?
Rebel.
Blue.
No.
Kreg.
No, Jeffrey. He said Rebel.
Kreg. They
Blue
can.
Ion. Do you see my monster zit?
It's not monster.
It feels monster.
not.
And
It's
it
not
won't
bad.
go away.
It's not
Thank you.
bad.
I think it's stress.
Oh, tanning bed's gone.
Okay.
Oh, that's a tanning bed?
I thought I broke my nail. I think it's my strength at certain angles is just not, doesn't cut it sometimes. She's gonna, oh, I'm so sorry.
It's mine.
If it broke, it's mine. If my breath smells, Ash, I'm sorry.
Oh, same.
I always feel like that in the morning when we have to
Same.
shoot.
Doesn't matter how many times you brush your
All
teeth.
I want to
or
do is apologize to
mouthwash.
you multiple times. Hold on while I move the tanning bed tent.
That's for later.
Ooh. I can just, you know when you just tell that your breath doesn't smell good? That's mine right now.
So I am
Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be fun to sand. Good job, Whit. Just like that, my table's painted.
Oh, hold on. Make it cleaner.
It's not. Thanks, Ash.
You have to push
She's
all
got
the way
it.
back, yeah.
It won't go back any
Here.
further. There we go. There we go.
One shot wonder right there.
Let me do it, guys.